Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Matatag Curriculum, Math 4, Quarter 4, Week 6. Convert decimal numbers to fractions and fractions with denominators 10 or 102 decimals. Day 1. Let's have a short review. Letter A. Write the following numbers in fraction form and decimal form. So we have here number 1, word form 2/10. So fraction form, so we have here 2/10. In decimal form, number 2, 5/10. Fraction form, decimal form, number 3, 7/100. Number 4, 18/100. Number 5, 99/100. Letter B. Write the decimal form in part A in the place value chart below. So I have here number 1, 2/10. Number 2, 5/10. Number 3, 7/100. Number 4, 18/100. And number 5, 99/100. What do you notice about the fractions in the short review exercise part A? So the answer is, the numerator has either 1 or 2 digits. The denominator is either 10 or 100. The numerators are smaller than the denominators. And fractions given are proper fractions. Letter B. How is the decimal form related to the denominator of the fraction form? When denominator is 10, there is only one decimal place. When the denominator is 100, there are two decimal places. Subtopic 1. Conversion of decimal to fraction. Letter A. Decimal number with one decimal digit. Example 1. Convert 4/10 to fraction. How do you write 4/10 in word form? So we have here the answer. 4/10. How do you write 4/10 in fraction form? So the answer is example 2. Convert 8/10 to fraction. How do you write 8/10 in word form? So we have here the answer 8/10. How do you write 8/10 in fraction form? So the answer is in general. How do you convert a decimal with one decimal digit to fraction? To convert the decimal to fraction, write the decimal digit in the numerator and write 10 in the denominator. Letter B. Decimal number with two decimal digits. Example 1. Convert 3/100 to fraction. How do you write 300ths in word form? So we have here the answer, 300ths. How do you write 300ths in fraction form? So the answer is example 2. Convert 25 hundredths to fraction. How do you write 25 hundredths in word form? So we have here the answer. How do you write 25 hundredths in fraction form? So the answer is in general. How do you convert a decimal with two decimal digits to fraction? To convert the decimal to fraction, write the decimal digits in the numerator and write 100 in the denominator. Day 2. Work example. Letter A. Convert the following decimals to fraction. Number 1, 6/10. Number 2, 9/10. Number 3, 5/10. And number 4, 3/10. Number 5, 4/10. Letter B. Convert the following decimals to fraction. Number 1, 500ths. Number 2, 4800ths. Number 3, 400ths. Number 4, 1200ths. And number 5, 800ths. Answer the conversion problems. Number 1. A meter stick measures 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1/10 of a meter is equal to 10 centimeters. Convert the decimal to fraction. So the answer is number 2. Alprazolam 5/10 milligram is used in the treatment of anxiety and panic disorder. Convert the decimal to fraction. So the answer is number 3. A tablespoon is equivalent to about 75 hundredths milliliter. 75 milliliter is about 15 drops. Convert the decimal to fraction. So the answer is Day 3. Subtopic 2. Conversion of fractions with denominators 10 or 100 to decimals. So number 1, 3/10. So the fraction form is the decimal form. Number 2, 7/10. Fraction form, decimal form. Number 3, 8/10. Fraction form, decimal form. Number 4, 6/100ths. Fraction form, decimal form. Number 5, 15/100ths. Fraction form, decimal form. Number 6, 50/100ths. Fraction form and decimal form. Number 1 question. What do you observe about the fraction forms and decimal forms of numbers from 1 to 3? So the answer is the denominator of the fraction is 10. There is only one decimal place. Number 2. What do you observe about the fraction forms and decimal forms of the numbers from 4 to 6? So the answer is the denominator of the fractions is 100. There are 2 decimal places. To write tens in decimal form, write the numerator in the tens place. And to write hundredths in decimal form, write the tens digit in the numerator in the tens place, while the ones digit in the hundredths place. If the numerator is a one-digit number, write 0 in the tens place. Letter A. Convert the following fractions to decimals. Number 1. So the answer is number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Letter B. Convert the following fractions to decimals. Number 1. So the answer is number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Day 4. Answer the conversion problems. Using an analog weighing scale, sugar has a mass of 5/10 kilogram. What is the mass of the sugar using a digital weighing scale? 5/10, the decimal form is 0.5. Number 2. I have a 1,000 peso bill. I exchange it with 100 pesos of 10 peso coins. 25 hundredths of 1,000 peso is equivalent to 25 pesos of 10 peso coins. Convert the fraction to decimals. So we have here 25 hundredths. Number 3. How many years are there in a century? At present, we are in the 21st century. By 2100s, we will be in the 22nd century. How many more years before we reach the 22nd century? We will be counting 76 more years out of 100, or 76 hundredths. Convert the fraction to decimal. So the answer is Day 5. Formative assessment. Convert the fraction to decimal. So I have here the answer K. Letter B. Convert the decimal to fraction. So I have here the answer K. Quiz time. Let's answer this. Convert the fraction to decimal. 7/10. You only have 5 seconds to answer. Start now. Time's up. So the answer is next. 2/10. Time's up. So the answer is next. 8/10. Time's up. So the answer is 3/10. So the answer is 4/10. Time's up. Next, convert the decimal to fraction. Next, 12 hundredths. Times up, the answer is 3 hundredths. Times up, the answer is 23 hundredths. Times up, the answer is 8 hundredths. Times up. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.